Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your WhatsApp call not ringing on iPhone problem. So if you're facing this problem, follow the step. First thing is you want to go inside your setting to check if the notification of your WhatsApp is off or not. So once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down until you see WhatsApp. Once you see WhatsApp, you want to stop and click on it. So as you guys can see, my third last app is WhatsApp, so I will click on it. And once you're inside WhatsApp, what you want to do is, now once you're inside WhatsApp, make sure the notifications are on. So mine is on, that nothing is being displayed. But in your case, if it is not on, there's going to be a setting called notification. Make sure to turn that on. If that is on and it's still not fixed, what you can do is inside of your iPhone, go in general. Inside general, scroll all the way down at the bottom and click on where it says transfer or reset iPhone. Over here, the option called reset, click on it and click on reset network setting. Once you click on it, your phone's network setting will be resetted and now it should work. And the second thing you need to keep in mind is for WhatsApp call to work, you need to have your data connected or your Wi-Fi connected. If you're not connected to anything as well, you're not going to receive the call. So check that as well and your problem should be fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then a solution for you guys, just delete WhatsApp and reinstall it again through App Store. Once you do that, the bug that is causing this problem will be deleted as well. And when you download WhatsApp, you're going to download the new, updated version of WhatsApp and a problem should be fixed. That's how you guys can do it. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.